Hello, class 7 students. Our next topic is properties of addition of integers. Okay, in these we will see, in this topic we are actually going to discuss the properties of addition of integers. When we add two integers, okay, then there are some properties we should keep in mind. Okay, there are basically five properties. Okay, first one is the closure property, second one is the commutative law of addition, the third one is the associative law of addition, the fourth is existence of additive identity, and the last property is existence of negative integers. Okay, dear children, I have already sent you the notes. You can keep the notes while you are watching the video. Okay, always keep the notes in front of you while you are watching the video. जब आप वीडियो को देख रहे हो तब आप नोट्स को भी सामने रखें जिससे आपको समझने में आसानी हो जाएगी. मैंने आपको सारे नोट्स पहले ही प्रोवाइड करवा दिए हैं टाइम टू टाइम. जब भी आपका टर्न होता है मैथमेटिक्स का तो मैं आप लोगों को नोट्स प्रोवाइड करवा देता हूं, ठीक है. और यहाँ पर हम जो भी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसके नोट्स ऑलरेडी आप लोगों के पास अवेलेबल हैं. चलिए, ओके, लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी मींस द सम ऑफ two integers is always an integer. Okay, when you add two integers then their sum is always an integer. Let us see some examples. Okay, understand it with some examples. Example first, 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 and 3 both are integers, so you will get 5, which is also an integer. Understand, dear children? Okay, second example, 2 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so how do we add two negative integers or two integers with like signs? Here the like signs are minus minus, so we simply add the two numbers or the two digits irrespective of the sign, then finally we give sign of like sign. Okay, that is minus. So minus 5 is also an integer. Now suppose you are adding 3 minus 2, so you will get minus 1. Okay, what you will do, how you will add these? You will add in such a manner, 2 minus 3 plus 2. It means 3 minus 2, it means minus 1. Understand? 2 minus 3 means you have to subtract 3 from 2, then give the sign of bigger digit, that is minus. It is also an integer. It is also an integer. Now fourth example. Okay, 3 minus 2, simply you will get 1, which is also an integer. Understand, dear children? What is the closure property? When you add two integers or the sum of two integers is always an integer. 2 plus 3, here 2 and 3 both are integers. When you add you get 5, that is also an integer. Okay, now second question, minus 2 minus 3, it means minus of 2 plus 3. Okay, that is minus 5, which is also an integer, which is also an integer. Now 2 minus 3, you will get minus 1, that is also an integer, that is also an integer. Now 3 minus 2, that is 1, and 1 is also an integer. As I have already explained to you in the previous video that all the natural number, whole numbers and the negative counting numbers are called integer. Understand? Okay, so the first property is finished. Now second property, commutative law of addition. Property second, commutative law of addition. Okay, What is commutative law of addition? It is basically A plus B. Okay, A plus B is the same as B plus A. Understand? Let's understand it with the help of an example. Okay, if you write 5 plus 8, okay, example first. If you write 5 plus 8, then it means 12. Okay, sorry, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. Now, if you add 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 5, you will get 13 anyhow. Understand? Either add 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 5. It means if you change the position of the digits, the sum does not affect. Okay, anyhow you are going to get an integer. Understand? This is first example. Second example is if you write 5 minus 6, either write 5 minus 6. Okay, if you write 5 minus 6, you will get minus 1. Okay, and if you write minus 6 plus 5, then it means minus 1. Here I mean to say that 5 minus 6 is equals to minus 6 plus 5 is equals to minus 1, which is nothing but which property? Commutative law of addition or commutative property of addition. Commutative का मतलब होता है कि जब आप किन्हीं भी दो डिजिट्स की पोजीशन चेंज कर देते हैं तो उसका सम इफेक्ट नहीं होता. Understand? You will get the same sum every time, but keep in mind that this law, okay, or this property is valid for addition only. Understand? If students you are interested to note it, you can note. I am giving you 2 minutes time. You can copy it. Hurry up fast. Okay, dear children, I will send you one image of this board. Okay, whatever I have written over here, I will send you one image. Okay, so till that, okay, let's discuss some other properties. Okay, there are some other properties. So here we discuss two properties, closure property and commutative law of addition. These two are finished. Okay, so let me clean it. Dear children, I hope that you are completing your HW on time. You are doing your HW on time. All subjects, not only mathematics, all subjects. Okay? There is lockdown and due to that you are unable to come to school, but it doesn't mean that you don't do study at your home. It is your duty, okay, that while being at home you do regular studies. Okay, if you are not coming to the school, it doesn't mean that you don't do study. Do study on timely, do get up timely. With the help of these videos, I am clearing your doubt. Okay? It is your duty that you watch the videos proper on time and also read the notes provided you. Understand? Timely. Nowadays you are also getting a weekly notes. Okay, 2 times. I think you are getting notes. Yes, you are getting notes 2 times. It is taking some time, then it is okay, but it is okay. Closure property we discussed. What is closure property? The sum of two integers is also an integer. And what is the second property we discussed? The commutative law of addition, a plus b is equals to b plus a. Understand? Okay. Now let's discuss the third property. The third property is the associative law of addition. Associative law of addition. I'm writing just capital letter over here. Capital A means we are doing a particular operation, addition. Okay. That's why I just mentioned it in just capital letter I use, addition. Okay. Associative law of addition. What is the associative law of addition? It is, if I write a plus b plus c, okay, a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Okay, if you are changing the order of addition, then it does not affect the addition. Okay, example, if a, b and c are the three integers and you are adding one by one, then it does not affect this sum. Understand? Let us understand it with the help of a very simple example. Okay, minus 6, minus 8 and 6. Minus 6, minus 8 and 6. Here it is 6. Okay, you have to do addition. What? Add. Okay, you have to add all these. Okay, using associative law of addition. Solution. Simply, you will write minus 6 plus minus 8 plus 6. Okay, here minus 6 is A, minus 8 is B and 6 is C. Okay, so put these into the arranged order or into the just like this order. Okay, follow this order. A plus B plus C. Okay, so this should be equals to A. A here is minus 6 plus bracket B. B is minus 8 and plus 6. Okay, so let us see if it is equals to this or not. If you add, if इस तरह की problems में if you have given a bracket, then first you solve the digits which are inside the brackets, okay, which are bracketed. Okay, इस तरह के digits में आप जो bracket लगा हुआ है तो उसके अंदर के digits को पहले आप solve करेंगे. Okay, see both are like signs, so minus 6 plus minus 6. Okay, it will become minus 12. Now minus 12 plus 6, how much? Minus 12 plus 6 will become, we can write it like as 6 minus 12, that is minus 6. Understand? I already explained in the previous video. Then you are given two unlike signs, okay, and you have to add. Then if a bigger digit consists a negative sign and a smaller symbol and a smaller digit contain and a smaller digit is of positive sign, then in such case find the difference. Okay, as it is from big number to the small number, okay, you have to find the difference, then give the bigger digit sign, which is minus, so it will be minus 6. Okay, now minus 6 then plus 6, this one. Okay, इसको यहाँ पर उतार लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6, it will become 0. But on the right hand side, just write minus 6 plus bracket minus 8 plus 6. So minus 6 plus, if you solve this bracket, you will get 6 minus 8. Okay, minus 6 plus 6 minus 8 minus 2. So you will get minus 6 and minus 2. Minus 6 and minus 2. you will get minus 8. Let me see if we have done some mistake. Okay, we have done one mistake. Okay, here I have written minus 6 and minus 8, and here I have written only 6. No, it's not 6, it is 8. Okay, so minus 6 and minus 8 will become minus 6 and minus 8 will become minus 14. How much? Minus 14. Okay. It will become minus 14. Okay. Now minus 14 plus 6. Okay. Minus 14 plus 6. You will get 6 minus 14. Okay. Which is minus 8. So you can see that minus 6 plus minus 8 plus 6 is equals to minus 6 plus minus 8 plus 6. Understand? This is the associative law of addition. Okay, dear children, this is the associative law of addition. Okay, I'll send you the picture of whatever I have written on the board. Now, what is the next property? It is the existence of additive identity. Okay, it is the additive identity. The next property is additive identity. Now, what is additive identity? What is the additive identity? Okay. Third is also completed, finished. Fourth is existence of additive identity. In short, I have written additive identity. Additive identity means a plus 0 or some number a plus 0 equals to 0 plus a. Okay. For example, if I write 6 plus 0, then I will get 6, which is equals to, if I write 0 plus 6, then it is also equals to 0. That means 6 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 6. Okay, ultimately you will get 6. Okay, now the next property is existence of negative integers. Existence of negative integers. Okay. See, existence of negative integers. Okay, the last property we are going to learn is existence of negative integers. Negative integers. Okay, it means a plus minus a is equals to minus a plus a, which is equals to 0. Understand? For example, if I write 14, then the negative integer of 14 will be minus 14. And you know that 14 plus minus is equals to 0. Either write like this or minus 14 the negative integer of 14 is plus 14. Okay, plus 14, and the addition of 2 will becomes 0. Okay, so any number, for any number a, b and c, the negative integer is the negative sign of the number itself. If b, then minus B, C, then minus C. Now add these two, A plus minus A, which is 0, B plus minus B, which is 0, and C plus minus C, which is 0.